Hi guys, I had to change something on my truck here. In my video, I went straight down to right here in these plugs right here. Well, I don't know, within a day or something, it kept like blowing these two carport USB plugs. I'd have to reset the radio and it worked for a little bit. I don't know if it was drawing too much charging or whatnot, so it blew those. So what I did is I just kept the same wire coming out of here. I ran it all the way through here, zip tied it this little thing, and zip tied it over there, and then ran it up the side right here and through here, and it wouldn't quite reach to the cigarette lighter, so I bought an adapter on Amazon where it's like a male to female end. I just plug it in here, and then this one plugs into this cigarette port that I have right here. I'm gonna have to put the phone down for a minute because I don't know if I can plug it in one-handed. So it goes right just like that. I zip tied it all neat where it sits up top like that. It's never in the way, and then that way I haven't had any problems yet. So I'm just putting my phone on here, and you can see it's charging, and a little lightning bolt up here in the corner. So it works now. It was working fine, but it just kept blowing that. So what I did is, like I said, I just run it through here and plugged it in. But I'll put a link to all that stuff if you want to do it. It's a simple way to get wireless charging. But appreciate it.